Good morning, class 7, subject maths, chapter 24, chapter name activities. Now we are in page number 284, activity 2, objective to compare the marks obtained in all the subjects by a student in the first and second term examination by bar graph. Here we have to do what? We have to compare the marks obtained by all the students in first and second term examination by bar graph. So material required is what? Grid paper having squares of dimension 1 cm into 1 cm. Second, strips of paper in two different colors, red and green. Students, we according to our need we choose the strips. So let's see, कलर वी हैव टू चूज इन आवर ओन चॉइस. मैंने यहाँ पे स्ट्रिप्स कट कर लिए हैं जो कि मार्क्स के मेजर के दिए हुए हैं. ऐसे स्ट्रिप्स आपको स्मॉल जो माइनर स्मॉल बॉक्सेस है उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको कट करने हैं, है ना. मिलीमीटर में है ये. आपके स्क्वायर बॉक्सेस जो दिए होते हैं वो सेंटीमीटर में रहते हैं और ये मैंने मिलीमीटर से मेजर करके जितने जितने मार्क्स के हैं उतने के स्ट्रिप्स कट कर लिए हैं. ऐसा आपको भी करना है. लेट्स सी. After that, what needed? A ruler, a pair of scissors, a glue for pasting, pair of scissors for cutting. So I have already cut. Now we need a ruler, means a scale. So the scale is here. Okay. Now let's see theory. A bar graph is what? A bar graph is a pictorial representation of numerical data in the form of rectangles or bars of equal width and varying heights. To represent data on a bar graph, we select a suitable scale and this scale determines the height of rectangles. So let's see, here the marks of students are given and we have to compare these marks in first term and marks in second term, English, Hindi, mathematics, science and social science. So students, in place of grid paper we will choose a bar graph paper, and let's see, I will put a bar graph in front of you. So this is a bar graph paper. Now you made this table and now see here it is what? 76, 74. So I will put, and now I will put the 74 and 76 and 74. So let's see. Students, in place of grid paper this is a bar graph and from here we have to start making a line like this and this goes to upwards, and this is 10, same as there will be what? 20, there will be 30, there will be 40, there will be 50, there will be 60 and 70. I will write like this. Now 80, then 90, and then after 100. Okay students, now with the help of a scale we draw a straight line with this. So students, let's see now. Here are the marks obtained by students. Marks. Students, now will paste the strip, and this strip is of 76 marks, and we have chosen this one small box is equal to 1 marks, and from here to here it will be 10 marks. So like that, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and this is 74 and this is 76. You have to see. Now we have to color this and differentiate their terms. So for first term we choose blue color and for second term we choose red color. So let's see. So students, I have colored this marks of English in, and I will again do one make symbol for here, and I will make with this blue color, that is marks of, I will write first term. And now with the same I will write here, and we do with a red color and write marks of second term. Okay students, in the same way we have to do what? We have to only write here subject after English. Our subject is what? Hindi, and we have to paste that strip. Only just here I will write Hindi and I have to paste that strip. What is the marks in Hindi? 81, 76. Again I have to paste. Students, let again see. Here I have pasted the strip. In Hindi first term 81 marks and in second term 76 marks, and now I have to color it. So I will color here. Okay students, so here I have colored the strips, and in same way the remaining strip I have to here paste. So I think you can do. I have cut it so much strips that I have to require to do practical. Now I hope you will do all the things yourself. Okay students, thank you. You will understood this practical. You have to first of all cut these strips, then you have to paste this strip according to the marks obtained by students. And now you will see 76 is larger, 74 is smaller, here is 81, so this is greater, and now this is 76, so smaller. It's nothing you have to do, just these things only with nice color and clean diagram. Okay, thank you.